The main gadgets to have before starting a YouTube channel. I know you'll be thinking it's what you have in mind that I want to say. No, pay attention. This is to motivate you. This is to encourage you. This is to get you prepared. Number one gadget is your mindset. How ready is your mindset? Have you prepared the mind gadgets for this journey? The reason is because there will be a lot of challenge along the line. Another gadget is, have you prepared your time? Because YouTube needs a maximum attention. Another gadget is, have you tell yourself that you will be consistent on YouTube? That you're not just going to create this channel, that you're not just coming to be a YouTuber who is not going to be consistent. Before you talk about the other gadget, which is your phone. You must have a phone. And another thing is that you have to get yourself ready, your mental health. Learn about YouTube. Research about YouTube. Study about YouTube. Don't just put out content because people have made millions on YouTube. Get your channel ready. Create a YouTube account. Before that, make sure you have a Google account that you will use to create your YouTube account. See you for more video. Bye.